Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either show or hide the bookmark bar in the Google Chrome web browser. So if you want to always enable that view or disable it from always showing up in the Google Chrome address bar, or I should say right underneath of the address bar, then in today's tutorial, I should have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by selecting the three-dotted icon up at the top right corner of the Chrome browser to open up the menu here, and go down and select the settings option. On the left side, select appearance, and then underneath where it says appearance, show bookmarks bar. You either toggle that to the on or off position if you want to enable that view. So I don't have any bookmarks saved in here, but let's say I went ahead and saved the bookmark here. So let me go ahead and save this page, for example. You should see now that we have a bookmark listed in here. So if you want to turn that on or off, you can see it's very easy to do so. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.